For Skyler? Oh, foam. That is nice. I always wanted to have this. There is more. Yeah, there is more. What? Is that for you? Hey. Is that for you? What do you think that's, Skyler? It's a box with boxes. Oh, damn it. It's a box of air. Whew. Piece of paper. Oh, it's with a personal code, so it's some warranty thing. Well, I have the warranty now, so that was it, guys. Thank you for watching. That was my unboxing video. I think we need to continue. There was also a user guide. We'll look at it later. And Skyler is having a better time. $180. Perfect.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What's that? What's that? This is for your big sister. Feel like my mission is unfulfilled for today. Are we good? Yeah. The box is falling apart. So we're not going to keep that one. What is this? All kinds of connectors, an adapter. I wonder if this is my model number. Some of you may know this room with the Evercade VS, the Nordlead 2X, my current keyboard that I'm using, my mouse and my Parallax mouse mat, and next to it now I've set up a temporary Mega 65 workstation setup thing. It didn't come with an HDMI cable, but well, I have enough of those, so no worries, but that might be shitty for some. Having to wait for an additional HDMI cable. Now let's see if it works. I have the adapter plugged in there. Where's the... I was actually expecting it on this side. I did the unboxing just earlier and I already forgot, or I didn't notice that it is on the other side. That will be a problem when I'm going to plug in joysticks, and yeah, that's going to get in the way of my mouse here. Turn it on. see if everything is working. Yes! There it is. Welcome to the Mega 65. And after that, we did a capture setup, showed my first impressions with the system, my first experience with the system, and it went all to shit. It was not a good experience, because if you run the thing out of the box, it seems like a lot of bugs and annoyances and things not working as it should be, even with the software it comes with on the SD card that is inside. So yeah, I didn't have a good time with that. Plus, the AVerMedia box that you saw in the previous shot was supposed to capture the video and the audio, but it didn't get any audio for some reason, so the whole thing was ruined. So yeah, it's the next day that I'm recording this. I all want to explore it, I will do it all on camera. But for the unboxing this will have to do. Now if you want to see more Mega 65, Commodore 64, that kind of stuff, don't forget to subscribe. And I also should notify you guys that I'm doing some cool horror stuff with one of my brothers, which is over here. I edit those things, having a good time with it, and it's lovely to see. Just horror let's play. My other brother is like, he's always in fear. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.